Have you ever been invited to a Halloween party or maybe a masquerade party and you don't feel like you have enough time to get a brand new mask together for it? Uh, I'm bringing you this video because I'd like to show you that there are some techniques that are very quick, very simple, straightforward, and inexpensive to let you make an original mask within 2 days. Check it out. I templated my face using some aluminum foil, paying special attention to where my eyes and the bridge of my nose is located, then covered that in a little bit of masking tape. And once I had the eyes marked out with a pen, I covered the entire thing in some Loctite foam. Once the foam is sprayed with some water, you allow it to sit for 3 minutes, it becomes sculptable. So this is really where the major work of creating your monster is, and you can see I kind of just blocked out all of the main features that I wanted. And once it had hardened, within minutes, I was able to remove the inside layer of tape and tinfoil. I used the teeth that I purchased from Amazon. I use them on many projects. I don't necessarily think you need these. You could use really polymer clay or anything to make those teeth, including this air dry clay. That's Sculpey's brand, and I used it to smooth out some of the features and sort of add some detail. And you could be done at this point. I decided I wanted to put a strap on the back of it using some Velcro, and you could paint it and wear it. But I wanted to take it a little bit further, so I broke out the foam clay, big foam, and that is a product that you can smooth on with a little bit of water, and it dries very light and very durable and flexible. So I added some additional tendrils, some eyelids around a clay eye that I'd made earlier, and some ears with some flooring foam mat. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm always looking forward to talking about these sorts of things. I decided to paint it with several layers of paint, first starting with a white and then some greens, and also breaking up the solid areas with some blue flecks to give it some additional visual interest. I wanted to do this project very quickly, as quick as I could and as inexpensively as possible, to show everyone that, some of the possibilities out there for creating something like this in a pinch.
And this is the finished mask. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, happy hunting.